Ever dreamed of living in the Big Apple, but worried your wallet can't handle it? In 2026, NYC's cost of living is 131% above the national average, but smart choices make it possible. Stick around. I'll break down neighborhoods from pricey Manhattan to budget-friendly Bronx, helping you find your fit. Start with Manhattan, iconic, but expect $4,700 median rent for a one-bedroom. Groceries run $500 per month, utilities $200. Perfect for high earners chasing Wall Street vibes, but not for beginners. Brooklyn offers balance, rents around $3,500, with trendy spots like Williamsburg. Food and transit adds $600 per month. Great for creatives on a mid-budget. Queens is affordable gold. Sunnyside rents under $2,700, homes below $500,000. Total living costs $4,000 per month, including subway fares. Ideal for families or young pros. The Bronx keeps it real. Rents $2,200, homes $379,000 median. Utilities $150, groceries $400. Best for tight budgets seeking culture. Staten Island's suburban feel. Rents $2,000, ferry commutes. Low crime, costs $3,500 per month total. Which fits you? Comment below. Luxury or low-key? Like, subscribe for more NYC tips. Not financial advice. Dior.